Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to trading earnings like a pro on Barchart.com. Earnings season can feel like a gold rush for traders. Massive price swings, volatility, and the potential for huge gains or quick losses. But here's the secret. The pros don't just guess, they plan. In this video, we'll show you how to trade earnings season the smart way, using Barchart's suite of powerful tools, screeners, and strategy builders for both traders and investors. As always, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's start by finding upcoming earnings report by clicking on the Stocks tab on the menu and head over to Earnings and Dividends. This opens a powerful calendar view that lets you see which stocks are reporting on any given day or week. Click a specific day to reveal the full list of tickers reporting earnings or dividends. You can sort the list by symbol, change in price, earnings estimates, or dividend yield, and a whole lot more, helping you quickly spot active or high momentum stocks. Want to jump ahead? Click the calendar icon at the top right to pick a future date on the calendar and scan weeks ahead for your ideal setup window. Now that you've found earnings by date, let's visualize the price action. Click on Flip Charts to launch the interactive chart view. You can customize the charts and change bar types like candlesticks or hollow bars. And click on Templates to use your custom chart templates or choose from one of Barchart's built-in chart templates. This will allow you to apply technical indicators and custom settings for your chart analysis. Once your chart is set up, scan the full list using the arrows on the side or navigate via the top ribbon. If you see NA under these columns, that's because this data is based on the latest upcoming earnings, which in this case is in May. To view past earnings performance, you can click the history icon to view past quarters' estimated and reported earnings, and open the earnings history for the company here. You can also click the details icon to see earnings estimates for the current quarter, next quarter, and the full fiscal year, so you can dive deeper into the full earnings history. Want to focus on short-term setups? You can select earnings within 7 days on the menu here, or click the Stocks tab again and select earnings within 7 days. This is your fast track to stocks with earnings coming right up around the corner. Click the drop down to select a different window, 2, 5, 10, or 30 trading days. You can sort by columns like earnings date, last price, percent change, or volume to prioritize trades that fit your strategy. Then switch your view by using the drop down here. Choose from technicals, mini charts, or fundamentals for data that you prefer. To get even more specific, click the screen button. This opens a custom screener where Earnings Watch is already applied as a filter. You can select the days in advance you prefer, then add additional filters here like fundamentals or technicals to narrow down your results. Once you have your filters ready, click See Results to view matches. From here, change your view or sort the table again. And if you want to build a strategy around this screener, don't forget to click Save Screener. This will allow you to save the filters and get daily email alerts on stocks with upcoming earnings that fit your search criteria. And if you like the results from the screener and want to track these stocks, save them to a watch list. You can create a new one, append it, or replace an existing list to keep these stocks on watch. Now that you've got a few names, let's understand what the market is pricing in for upcoming earnings. Let's click on a stock, say Tesla, to explore more earnings tools on Barchart. Once here, select the Expected Move page. This page shows you what kind of price swings the options market is expecting around earnings. Right up top, you'll see the latest earnings date, along with 3 key pieces of volatility data. Implied volatility, IV, the market's forecast of likely price movement, IV rank, where current IV sits relative to the past year, and IV percentile, how often IV was lower than it is now. Traders often use this data to gauge how much uncertainty or excitement is priced in. Higher IV and IV rank can suggest bigger expectations and potentially more opportunity or risk. Just below, you'll see the expected move range for each upcoming options expiration date. These ranges estimate how much the stock could move up or down based on options pricing. This can help traders decide which expiration dates they want to trade, where stock might make a big enough move to justify a trade, or even to structure strategies like straddles or vertical spreads around the expected move. Scroll down and you'll find historic earnings moves, including how much the stock actually moved on past reports and an average from the past. This helps you compare what was expected versus what really happened. Then you'll see a full breakdown by expiration dates, showing data like days to expiration, expected move range, upper and lower price range, and implied volatility. This section is a goldmine for planning a trade around earnings, especially if you're an options trader or just trying to visualize potential price targets. Next, let's dive deeper into the earnings estimates page to understand how analysts and historical performance tie into the picture. Here, you'll find analyst forecasts and price targets, a chart that marks past earnings dates so you can see how price reacted around key reports, plus previous earnings reports with actual results versus estimates. You'll also get a snapshot of key stats that can help you better understand the company and its stock's behavior around earnings, like market cap. This is a total value of a company calculated by multiplying the share price by the number of shares outstanding, which gives you a gauge of the size of the company. Forward PE ratio, this stands for price to earnings and is based on projected future earnings. It tells you how much investors are willing to pay today for $1 of next year's earnings. A higher PE ratio might suggest growth expectations, while a lower PE ratio could point to undervaluation or risk. Beta measures how volatile a stock is compared to the overall market. A beta above 1 means the stock tends to move more than the market, while a beta below 1 means it's typically more stable. Around earnings, high beta stocks can see more dramatic moves. Understanding how the market has historically reacted to earnings, along with what analysts expect this time around, can help you build a complete story and strategy for your next trade. Now, let's dive even deeper and show you how to narrow down your top picks and find the best stocks to trade around earnings. First, let's head back to the Stocks tab and select the earnings within 7 days. Now, click the screen button. Here, we'll set the earnings date filter to within 7 to 14 days. This way, we're focusing on companies about to report soon. Next, let's set up a few filters to really fine-tune our search. We'll add volume to make sure we're looking at stocks with strong trading activity. Price change, you can add this if you want to find stocks already moving before earnings, which often is a sign of anticipation. Market cap, as we're looking for larger companies that are often more stable with stronger financials. Beta, higher beta stocks tend to be more volatile, which can create greater moves during earnings. Forward PE ratio, because we're looking for companies with growth potential. Index groups, to only focus on a preferred group of stocks within an index. RSI, relative strength index, add this to find stocks that might be overbought or oversold heading into earnings. We can also add additional indicators from Barchart, like technical indicators like the Barchart opinion, to look for strong buy or sell ratings to find technical strong setups, or add the trend seeker signal to filter for stocks with a trend seeker buy, sell, or hold signal to catch companies that are already trending. Now, once you've added all these filters, let's search for what we're looking for. In this example, we'll use stocks in the S&P 500. We can adjust the beta to be above 1.0, set market cap to large and mega cap stocks, and a minimum volume of 1 million. You can also add additional filters to your preference to continue narrowing down your search. Once you're done, click See Results. From here, you can sort your list in a few different ways depending on your strategy. Sort by trend seeker signal or bar chart opinion, or sort by RSI to spot stocks that may be overbought or oversold going into earnings, PE ratio if you're looking for growth, beta if you're looking for the most volatile names for big price swings, market cap to focus on the biggest and most stable companies, or volume to find the most actively traded names. Next, let's view the charts quickly. Click Flip Charts to open an easy-to-scan view of all the charts side by side. You can either customize your chart settings based on your own strategy, or use one of Barchart's pre-made chart templates, like moving average setups, MACD, or RSI technical indicators to spot good setups even faster. As you scan through the charts, look for ideal setups, maybe a bullish trend, a breakout setup, or something you recognize from your playbook. Once you've found the stock you want to trade, click into it and dive deeper into the tools we discussed earlier, like the expected move page. Here, you'll see how much the market is pricing in volatility around earnings. View how much the stock moved on past earnings and how much the stock market expects the stock to move based on options expiration dates. We can also analyze key data like implied volatility levels and price ranges to help us gauge whether the market is pricing in a big move and if this stock is worth the trade. And that's it. A full walkthrough from building a powerful earnings screener to picking the best setups and using Barchart's tools to prepare you for the trade. By following these steps, you're not just randomly trading earnings, you're putting real strategy behind every trade. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investing and trading tools on Barchart.com.